Did you know that cracking your knuckles doesn't actually cause arthritis? Despite what many people believe, this common myth has been debunked by science. People say that the noise comes from bones touching, but that's not true. When you crack your knuckles, a gas bubble in the joint fluid bursts, which creates that popping sound. Let's dive deeper. Many believe that knuckle cracking leads to long-term damage, but research shows that it has no impact on joint health. In fact, it can actually help relieve tension. So next time someone tells you cracking your knuckles is bad, just smile. Science backs you up. Embrace this fun fact and share it with your friends.